Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Get Vocal PBC. They're looking for a data pilot temp worker. It pays up to $35 per hour. Vocal Media is a social impact influencer marketing agency. We build and activate powerful influencer networks across the top social platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, and Discord. They post frequently on issues like racial justice, climate change, and economic inequality, but they also create engaging cultural content, leading daily conversations on popular topics like health and wellness, beauty, fashion, sports, media, history, and everything in between. They work across every social media channel, particularly Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, and Discord. The Vocal Media team brings together talent from tech, music promotion, digital marketing, influencer marketing, and political organizing to support progressive campaigns. Our team members believe deeply in helping organizations effectively leverage influencer partnerships that maximize the impact of digital campaigns, expand reach into new communities, and bridge the gap between pop culture and social good. What we're looking for: this is a part-time remote gig starting at 10 hours a week with potential to grow to 20 hours a week. Applicants should be sensitive to U.S. political and cultural nuances, interested in social justice movements, as well as social media. Pay is $35 per hour. Vocal Media is committed to developing leaders, policies, and a team culture that embraces diversity and enhances equity. We believe that differences in backgrounds, experiences, and identities lead to healthier organizations and stronger teams. We recognize that our success requires commitment to obtaining and retaining a diverse staff that provides the highest quality services to our clients and creators. Vocal is an equal opportunity employer, and it is our policy to recruit, hire, train, promote, and administer any and all personnel actions without regard to sex, race, age, color, creed, national origin, religion, economic status, sexual orientation, veteran status, gender identity or expression, ethnic identity, or disability, or any other legally protected basis. Vocal is committed to providing accommodations to individuals with disabilities in the hiring process and on the job, as required by applicable law. Vocal will not tolerate any unlawful discrimination, and any such conduct is strictly prohibited. Job types: part-time, temporary. Pay $35 per hour. Schedule: self-determined schedule. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.